mind is telling you. Heartbreak so difficult to heal. Addicts know they're addicted. They know when they're shooting up. But heartbroken people do not. But you do now. But you do now. Trust what your mind is telling you. My sunroof.
He drove it out the sunroof?
Yeah, I'm driving the car. He's driving, or his passenger seat. He's driving an airplane. He almost hit a truck 3 times. I was so confused. I'm like, I don't know if he caused the crash. Is it my insurance or his?
Shut up.
Insurance, so it's mine. I'm pissed.
It'd be my